All right, everybody. So today's the day. So I have this fancy machine over here I've been talking about for months. So just to recap, I was looking at getting one of these, and a friend of mine actually has one. And I was asking him, hey, how do you like yours? I'm looking at getting a smaller one. And not going to mention names because I don't want to ruin any plans that he has on his channel. Once he releases, I'll be more than happy to share that. So he's like, well, I'm kind of thinking about, getting rid of this one and upgrading. So I was like, okay. And we talked back and forth and negotiated a price. Price is between me and him. This is not a new machine. He bought it new. I'm just taking it secondhand and seeing what I can do with it for projects like that POS and random stuff I have for the channel. So here's what we got. We bought a CNC plasma table. So long before I made YouTube, I actually built a full 4x8 cutting capable CNC plasma table at my old house. I never got it finished. I didn't have a gear rack system on it. I had belt drive and I was tired of messing with it, and I finally gave up. I actually still have the stepper motors, the software, everything to redo on if I ever do. But so we picked this up. Like I said, it's used. I mean, what do you expect? The guy builds a career out from it. This is his income, part of it, building stuff. So he uses this machine, cut out all of his stuff, mainly that he can use. Don't remember the exact size, but this will only cut, I think it's 4 foot wide by 2 foot. I don't remember. There's so many dimensions and stuff. So we're going to get our plasma cutter hooked up sometime. I think I don't know if torch controller works yet with mine, because I just bought a cheap plasma. I didn't get a computer with it, but I have my own laptop that I use for YouTube and stuff. And also you can download the software free from Langmeyer. So I got that already downloaded. I don't have an editing software yet. I do plan on getting something, or maybe just trying a free system for a while. So the whole goal of this right here is to be able to build my own stuff in this shop and make some extra cash doing it. So I got a few ideas I've had over the years. I just have never been able to go through with it because I just couldn't afford it, and it was too much at one time. I didn't have the air compressor project I did over here. I had this boxed in down here for my air tools and stuff, and then the other day I made a bigger stand because I'm going to take and buy a tank when I can find one. I got one right now. I'm gonna ask the guy about. It's pretty cheap. I'm gonna set that tank on top of this. I got enough room so then I can double my volume because I'm off grid, so I got to run the generator. So my plasma cutter is gonna be 220. The table is gonna be 110. I'll run that off the generator. My computer I can run off the solar. I mean, it's already got a battery in the laptop, and it's not using that much juice off the inverter for the batteries to keep up. And then I'm able to run my lights, my one freaking light I have up there. So I have bought a bigger water separator and a hose to come off that. So that's where we're at. So there's gonna be some big ass changes coming, and I've been trying to do this for years, like I said. So the guys that have been watching this channel forever, the guys I always talk to when they do their live streams and whatever, when I get going, get a hold of me. If you guys need shit, we'll work out a deal. not too worried about how extreme the price is and stuff. So, because you guys are always helping out by sharing channels and shit. So, but yeah, this is not the small one, by the way. This is the step up. This is the Pro. My camera skills aren't good today. This is the Pro. So it's the little bit bigger one. So you say you can still put a full sheet across and hold it up, but the guy said it's only good for 1/2 inch max. So that would be only 1/2 inch actual cutting surface, because the feet on it's not super heavy duty. I mean, it's not a super heavy duty table. It's not really for commercial. It's for, you know, hobbyist, personal stuff, you know. But he's made a lot of money off from it. It's paid for itself multiple times for him. So hoping to do the same here. So that's what we got. So anybody that's got one of these, you got any tech tips or info, whatever, upgrades, drop a comment, let me know, because this will be the first time I ever operated one. So we've operated plasma cutter plenty of times, just nothing this high tech. So thanks for watching this one, guys. Stay tuned for some updates, and next video, hopefully we can get a couple things to test run. So like I said, not gonna let anybody know who I got this from yet until he's able to do his channel stuff. So thanks again. Catch you on the next one.